Hey everyone, and welcome to a new video about why companies should focus on building customized own metaverse experiences and applications and virtual spaces hosted on their own website to win new customers or employees. Instead, they are relying on existing platforms like Meta and Decentraland and all those other platforms, also Roblox for example. And especially in the current times, I noticed that many companies are flocking to existing platforms in the hopes of tapping into the growing metaverse market somehow. But however, the reality is that most companies aren't earning significant revenue through those platforms. And in this video, we'll explore why creating your own metaverse solution with our agency, for example, will be a more effective way to achieve your business goals, basically using metaverse applications and bringing your branding to the next level. Firstly, let's talk about graphics. Existing platforms offer a stylized low poly look which can't really represent the quality of your products or services, and also don't attract affluent adult customers. Instead, you are attracting a lot of young people basically, which is not a bad thing because they also will grow up in your brand's world basically and will get clients later. But the quick way basically to attract adult affluent customers who can already buy products is by having great graphics which represent the quality of your products. So our agency instead provides top-notch graphics that can be customized to your suits and your individual needs. And when you use existing platforms, you are often limited by the graphics or tools they offer, which may not be suitable for your specific requirements. So this can also result in your metaverse is like feeling generic, and which is making it difficult to stand out from the crowd. In addition, many existing platforms charge high fees for premium graphics and features, which can add up quickly and eat into the profits. And on the other hand, building your own metaverse solution with our agency, for example, gives you a complete creative control over the process and how the end result should look like. We work with you to design and develop a unique virtual world that reflects your brand and business objectives. And this includes also creating high quality graphics and custom assets tailored to your specific needs. So the end result is a metaverse that truly stands out from the competition and is optimized for the user engagement and monetization. In addition to custom graphics, our solutions are also web-based, meaning that they can be accessed from anywhere with an internet connection basically. And this makes it easy to collaborate and share your metaverse with others without being constrained to a specific platform or device. This flexibility is especially important for businesses looking to reach a global audience or who want to provide their users with a seamless and accessible experience, because most of your clients don't have a powerful gaming PC or VR glasses yet to explore any virtual worlds you may create on other platforms. And it's unlikely that people will just buy a VR glasses to access your application. So you should focus on the technologies and things we have right now and later expand those. That's also easily to go into VR and stuff like that. But the first goal you should have is having on your website a web-based application that represents your company's branding basically. I myself are a huge fan of VR, and we also develop VR applications, but for most of our clients this don't make really sense. So we don't recommend it for the start basically. A scenario which makes sense, for example, would be in the education area, or for example also for employees, so they can train working on very, very complex machines, so they don't make any expensive mistakes basically in the future when they really work on those machines. But for example, for our shopping example, people will not people will still using their browser to easily access the store, and no one will buy a 700 plus VR glasses just for shopping online, I guess. And that's more in the future, in the next 2, 3, 4 years, when everyone maybe will have a VR glasses and the technology also will get a bit cheaper. So that's why I recommend almost everyone basically to start with a simple web-based application which everyone can easily access without any barriers of technology and stuff like that. Also, the biggest problem is that most platforms have many users, but the brands don't really profit from those, so they don't really get the users or new leads through the advertisement they make. They currently use it more as a tool for branding, and that's why only big brands basically go in the metaverse space and use this tool for branding purposes basically. But our solution also makes it possible to collect new leads for clients or applications, for you new trainees or employees, and also accept payments, so you can really sell your products and services in an automated way. And branding in our metaverse is just a nice addition to all those features, but not the main selling point like on other platforms. And this makes it also profitable for also smaller companies. So it's not only a thing which can break big brands. So it's not anymore a thing which only big brands can afford to step on and stuff like that. Lastly, also custom metaverse solutions offer a greater privacy and security, because you host your own servers and since you made the code, or we made the code together basically, since that you know where the data is flowing to, and you can have your own servers. And with a custom solution, businesses having greater control over user data, user experiences, and can implement their own security protocols to protect their users and their virtual world basically. And this is particularly important as concerns over data privacy and security continue to grow in the wake of high profitable data breaches and online security incidents. For example, with Meta had those in the past, and now company like Meta is hosting their own like Metaverse Solutions. That's also like in my opinion, very strange thing you should keep in mind. So in summary, while existing platforms like Meta and Decentraland offer a convenient way to enter the metaverse very quickly, building a custom metaverse solution with our agency, for example, can provide a greater creative control, flexibility and monetization options, and also security. And this can result in a more unique, profitable and engaging virtual world for businesses and users alike. Overall, while existing platforms may seem like to be a convenient and low-cost option, they often come with significant limitations and hidden costs. Building your own metaverse solution with our agency provides you with a greater control, customization and flexibility, leading to a more engaging and profitable virtual world. So if you are now looking for an innovative way to build out your employer brand or virtual shops or any other metaverse application, which is built according to your requirements, look no further. Our team is specialized in creating custom virtual spaces using Unreal Engine that are easily accessible through any web browser. Our virtual spaces are specifically designed for onboarding, recruitment of new employees, providing an immersive and interactive environment that showcase your company culture and values. And with our custom virtual spaces, you can also host virtual job fairs, give virtual tours through your office, and even conduct virtual interviews. We understand the importance of building a strong employer brand and attracting top talents, and especially in times where top talents are very rare, which is why we take a personalized approach to each project, and our team will work closely with you together to understand your unique needs and also create a custom virtual space that truly represents your brand. So don't miss out this opportunity to stay ahead of the curve and revolutionize the way you onboard and recruit employees to also optimize your processes there. So feel free to contact us today to learn more about how we can help you to build your employer brand and streamline your recruitment process using our tools. And of course, those tools don't only work for recruitment. That is basically just an example. We also build custom virtual malls or virtual shops which you can integrate into any website basically. And also here the possibilities of the metaverse don't end, so I really recommend you, if you are now interested in building your own metaverse, that you also watch the other videos we have on our channel. There we also show the possibilities in the areas of e-commerce, HR, and also many other things. So if you now want your own virtual space for your brand, you can easily book a free strategy session where we will work out a free strategy together, how you can easily start in this area, how a platform should look like, that it fits to your audience and target group, and that it also, or that you can also profit from those advantages which I mentioned before. And the link to getting your private strategy session is directly in the description of the video, so feel free to book your strategy session today. But that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.